As far as kitchen faucets go, the Fapully 100-550N commercial faucet is one of the easiest faucets we have installed. If you're doing your first DIY projects, this is definitely something to keep in mind. Welcome to ShoultIT Kitchen Faucet series. Hello everyone and welcome back to ShoultIT DIY series. Today we're installing the Fapully 100-550N commercial kitchen faucet. Let's check it out. These are the components when you open up the box. First, connect the hot and cold supply lines to the faucet. Notice the color on the handle for the correct hot and cold orientation. Run the two lines through the shaft/nut and thread it onto the foot of the faucet. Now set the faucet up correctly and put everything through the opening. Put on the rubber gasket, metal washer, and mounting bracket, then tighten by hand until snug tight. Notice the correct direction of the bracket. Then use a screwdriver and tighten the two mounting screws to secure the faucet. Now connect the sprayer head to the faucet. Use Teflon tape when necessary and connect the water supply lines, then tighten everything with a wrench. Then turn on the water using the handle and the lever to check. Also, check the middle spout. Change water temperature to make sure the hot and cold lines are correct. Finalize by checking for leaks. And that should be everything. And that's how we install the Fapully 100-550N commercial kitchen faucet. Hit like if you find it helpful and consider subscribing and donating to support our work. See the descriptions below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShoultIT, and we'll see you again very soon.